So after about 5 business days, I sent in my old phone on Wednesday and I got this yesterday. So we have all day Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the weekend doesn't count, Monday and Tuesday. So yeah, five-day turnaround. So it came in a little brown paper box, cool white box. Hello. And inside, there we go. Nice little cloth. Here we are to help. Pixel phone warranty, awesome. And here is the original Pixel, not the Pixel XL, just the Pixel. Came in nice wrapping paper. Warranty and a little SIM card ejector, very nice. So if you have any problems, again, they let me know how to fix it. So pretty cool. I was secretly hoping that they were going to upgrade me to the Pixel 3, but hey, that's okay. So yeah, a nice refurbished Google Pixel. So this originally came out back in November 2016. So let's unwrap it. And this is the beautiful blue one. And it should come loaded with Android 9.0 operating system, also known as Pie. So this is the cool boot up screen that they do. Thanks again, Google, for the free replacement. That was awesome. So I'll need to enter my SIM card and away I go. Well, thanks again, Google, for the awesome customer service. If you have any remarks or comments about Google's customer service, please add them below and feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks again, Google.